Dr. Yuri Ivanov and our team have invented a new type of interferometer that takes into account the theoretical mistakes of physicists of the past. And this device, unlike Albert Michelson's device, shows a constant and rather strong displacement of interference fringes, which indicates that the speed of light rays in different directions is not the same and we really move through the ether medium at a very high speed. That is, in our interferometric device of a special design, which of course is our know-how, we see the displacement of interference fringes, which is direct proof that we are really moving through the ether medium. It should be especially noted that if you assemble an interferometer of the usual classical design, you will not see the displacement of the interference fringes. In our interferometer, everything is different and there is a displacement of the interference fringes, since we have found a way to neutralize a certain compensating effect that does not allow us to detect our own movement in the ether medium. This is a scientific discovery, and we have published an article about this in one of the peer-reviewed scientific journals. Now let's go directly to the principle of operation of the device. So we have invented a new type of interferometer in which we can see the displacement of interference fringes, which indicates our constant movement through the ether medium. After that, it was experimentally established that if, for example, we get on the subway with our interferometer and the subway car begins to increase speed, then the interference fringes begin to displace a certain distance and fix their new position than if the subway car was standing still. Also, depending on the direction of movement, south, north, west or east, the rate of displacement of the interference fringes also changes. That is, if we are moving north, then the rate of displacement of the interference fringes is 1, and if we are moving south, for example, then the rate of displacement of the interference fringes is different. Even a slight change in the direction of movement shows us a change in the rate of displacement of the interference fringes. Thus, with the help of our interferometer, we can both measure our own speed in the ether medium. This shows us the change in the displacement distance of the interference fringes in the interferometer, and the direction of movement in the ether medium. This shows us the change in the rate of displacement of the interference fringes in the interferometer. Hence the simple logic: if the device shows us our own speed and direction of movement, then using simple mathematical algorithms we can calculate our own location in space.